You need to now hold your head like something's going to blow up and put it in the freezer. Now!
Yo, what's up?
He got in about an hour ago. Absolutely smashed. He's got to stop, Carl. Because he's disturbing Marge next door. I know. You know,
How's your foot?
not good. She had to go to A&E. She had 17 stitches from an arrow. Kids, don't shoot bow and arrows. That being said, today I have this. This is a bomb connected to some handcuffs that I got from the private shop. Kinky cuffs, they called. I thought I'd connect this to Elliot, make him think he's got a bomb on him. I've just fitted this on him, which is a earpiece. I'm going to be in Elliot's ear going, Elliot, you have a bomb on you, blah, 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 blah. Meaning, Elliot, don't blow up. Sorry, bro. And before we start this video, make sure you subscribe right now. We are the fastest growing YouTube army. The brofos are killing it. Turn the notifications on. And if you want one of the MacBooks, I've got rose gold, I've got gold, space gray and silver, then you have to subscribe and turn those notifications on. Or ultimately, make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn the notifications on, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, at Ben Phillips UK. Sold these to me. Yeah, I think they're second hand. Oh. His feet stink. I know. His feet absolutely. What the hell is this? Some sick joke?
Ben! Get out here, Ben! I know this is one of your little jokes. What is this? A bomb! My name is Elliot Robert Giles, yes? I never touched her. She's the one that come on to me. It's a strip club. What do you expect? Listen, she wanted the Big Mac, not the Chicken Legend. She might have asked for barbecue. I didn't know. Mayo looks quite similar.
You look like a pig.
Listen! Do you know who you're dealing with? I am the bulldog of Pretend. When I find you, I will hunt you, and I will bite you. I am not going into a superstore with a bomb!
Make your way out the house, now, or I will blow this bomb.
No one likes me anyway.
3 seconds, 2 seconds.
What there is.
Make your way to this superstore.
Get down. Oh. Look at this woman, she's pretty crapping this off, thinking.
Walk towards
I should have just asked if you wanted some shopping. I know the credit crunch is about, but seriously.
Yes.
Some bread and milk or something and move.
No credit crunch, only credit boom.
Do you think I'm scared?
You have to perform 6 to 7 tasks to deactivate the bomb. Where are you? My phone's playing.
Ring him off mine, I got better signal.
This is a nightmare.
I know.
This is an absolute nightmare. He's walking around Tesco with a potential bomb. This is bad. Walk up the escalator. Start singing YMCA on the escalator now. Are you in the clothes aisle?
I am.
You now need to do 2 roly-polies, 2 star jumps, and shout, ahoy, I like poo.
I like poo! What's next?
You need to put the bomb in someone's trolley and shout, marshmallows.
You gonna be right?
No, I'm not kidding, I'm completely serious. You need to now hold your head like something's going to blow up and put it in the freezer. The freezer next to you right now. Now. You must skip. Skip over the road. Skip. Skip harder.
Why am I here?
You need to go into your grandmother's and say, give me all your money, you bitch, or I blow you.
I can't say that. That's disgusting.
Justice is no AP.
Give me all your money, bitch, or I blow you.
Oh, no. Give me your money, you simple bitch.
Get lost, you stupid cat.
Give me your money.
Get out.
I'm not going.
You're afraid of that? No, get out.
No. Give me your money. Your money.
Oh, she's sticking her finger. Now you have to go and rub your bum all over her window.
That's easy.
Now stick your finger up at the house and go.
Take a shit on the lawn.
Take a shit on the lawn. Right in the middle. This is the Ford.
I was going to say, this is a bit of a weird place.
You're going to have to get out, Carl, and get this shot, because I'm going to tell him to walk on the rocks, face that way, while singing to himself, and then I'm going to just go straight through it. The wave will be so big you won't see a thing. Game?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay.
Here. What? I'm not doing that. This is stupid. This is absolute horse crap. Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colours burst. Make them go up, up, up. Look for a bird. What bird? Oh, Jesus! Look where you're going, son! This is stupid! I'm soaked! Ah!
That's a poo! I need some poo! Shut! I need some poo! Loud!
I have some poo!
You must chase the sheep now! Go! Go! He is probably going to kill us when he turns up and finds out well, we'll find out. Notification time, guys, from last night's video, which was titled My Bro Eats Cow. Yeah. Comment prank idea below and smash the like button. I'll pick the best one to do tomorrow. 120 likes. Oh, Ben Phillips, well, that's a good comment. You're my favourite prankster. YT, I love you. Do one on Elliot. Wait for him to stick a dildo to his head. I can't wait for you to stick a dildo to his head. Guys, if you want me to stick a dildo to his head, then we have to get 3 million subscribers. So get your mum, your dad, your dog, your fleas, your everything, your poos, to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Space Grey Mac book, Put Elliot to Sleep and Put Him on a Random Train by Tom Greenhalgh. Hi Ben, my name is Hannah Marie. I would love you to MacBook because I'm literally the best. You're the most funniest person, and Elliot is such a muppet. He needs to stop drinking SP. But you make the most funniest videos ever. By Hannah, thank you. Oh, sugar. Oh dear. Fishy wishes. Okay. Hashtag Bash the Bro. Tie his hands together and tie him up to a wall. I would love a MacBook, but I won't, but there's a chance I'd love to see your videos. Glue all red so he looks like blood and get people to dress up like crisps. Right, okay. Hey Ben, biggest fan since the beginning. I told my friends and family about your pranks. I would love a MacBook. I need one for graphics, and that's what I'm studying. Hashtag best profile. Ben, I love the pranks. Always make me smile. I think you should give elf views on him super glue, and he will look like a goblin. By Tommy Game. That's a pretty good idea. Super glue foods to his body. Hashtag brofo. Yeah. Guys, make sure you comment hashtag brofo, hashtag bay with your idea for a prank, and I will be doing the pranks and shouting out the person I'm doing the prank of. Also, what is your high score on Wire? Because I got a new high score, 312. Have that. Carl, you're on like, you got like 12, Carl.
No, I'm on 177, alright?
Alright.
New high score.
I have a low battery.
Oh,
I got a low battery.
I knew you were bad at flying.
I am the eye in the sky. I am all alive. I got a low battery.
Listen, you sick prick. Why are you recording this?
Pull your trousers down. Pull your trousers down. Right now.
It's disgusting.
Down. To your ankles now. Give us a willy jolt. That's it. Now you may open the case up. Open the case before. Sorry, bro. Brofos Bays, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. turn my notifications on, and watch the latest video.